What's up, you guys? Zoeb here from OneGlanceTrader.com, and welcome to week 4 of me trading the wheel strategy on Riot blockchain. And if you're brand new, I'm selling weekly options where I'm selling puts below the current price, collecting that weekly premium. And if I do get assigned those shares, I then sell covered calls at or above my cost basis to then continue to make that weekly premium. And we are on week 4, and currently at the moment I've not yet been assigned any shares of Riot. Either the option has expired worthless, so price was above my strike price, or I have rolled my option onto the next week, and that's exactly what I've done with week 3. So on week 3, if you guys remember, I sold a put at a strike of 32.50, and this is Friday's close. So Friday's close was 34.43, and just before the close I rolled the option to a new strike price, which is, and I'll just write it on the screen now, I've done it slightly higher at 33.50. So as you can see now, we are quite close to at the money, as it's called, where you pick a strike in and around the current share price. So I did pick up a little bit more premium, which will go onto the spreadsheet, so you can see how much premium I've made for this week, as well as my overall return. But the reason why I've gone for a more closer at the money strike is mainly down to my ability to analyze charts. So as you know, when we first started this, Riot has been in this ascending triangle, which is a bullish pattern from a probability standpoint, and I feel over the next days it will probably get in the money. But I feel that around this level is going to prove some sort of support area. But even if I do get assigned the shares, or what I can potentially do, depending on how close it gets to the money, I can then roll the option out for another week and reset my strike. Or even if I did get assigned those shares and was right at the money, I do feel Riot long term is going to go up, but over the next couple of weeks, I think we'll again test these $39 highs, and therefore I feel that I can get some really juicy premium on a covered call, as well as potentially some capital appreciation selling the 39 strike, which again, that would be absolutely amazing. So it could potentially get down to these lows over here at 31 at $31 or $32 over here, because this is building some sort of a support line. So that's, even then, that's not too far away from the strike of 33.50. So I still feel I can get some covered calls. This is probably the closest strike that I've picked out of the 4 weeks, which is fine. Like I said, I'm comfortable with that, and because I wanted to try pick up some more premium this week, as well as trust myself on my charting abilities here, that if I did get assigned, it won't be down here in the 27 28. It'll be around the $30 mark, and I'm confident that over the next few weeks we will then be testing this $39 high. So let's jump across to the spreadsheet, and so we can look at everything that I did. So as I said, I bought back the 32.50 option that was expiring last Friday, and I paid 4 cents to get that back. So I bought to close that piece there, and then simultaneously I opened a brand new cash secured put at 33.50, expiring this Friday. So this video was shot on Labor Day, for those of you who are US, so it was shot on Monday, and this video will probably go out Wednesday or Thursday this week. And I managed to pick up 77 cents premium. So as we know, one contract controls 100 shares, so 0.77 times by 100 is $77. And you can see my next previous high in terms there was $55, and in terms of a weekly ROI, which will be 77 over the 33.50, or 0.77 divided by the 33.50, gives us 2.3% return, which is the biggest return I've had since starting this back 4 weeks ago. So my total premiums that I've made for for the first 4 weeks is $167, which is 5.2% return. And the way at the moment I'm calculating my average is the average of all the strike prices that I've sold a cash secured put on. So the average is 31.20, so that's why I've divided it by 3,210. So that's what gets me to the 5.2% return. So, 5% return in 4 weeks. Now, I'm sure there's other investments out there that can get higher than 5% return in 4 weeks, but for me, this is great. This is for me, it's just like printing money because I'm long-term bullish on Riot. Even if Riot closes at $27, I'm more than happy to hold the 100 shares as well. So again, I've not been assigned. I'm not looking to get assigned, but I'm happy to be assigned, and that's the key point here to kind of mention around here. So we'll see what happens over the next 3-4 days, and then next week we'll have a look at the outcome. But watch out for that $33.50 strike. And for those of you who are interested in this tracking sheet that I use. Again, I don't like to overcomplicate things. It gives me a nice view there of tracking the wheel strategy. You can click the link down below. It has this, and then just hit File and then make a copy. So again, on the videos end screen now is a playlist of all my options videos. Net selling of options is my favorite strategy, as well as the playlist for all the right stuff, so you can go back to look right back from the very beginning for me and the thought process I've done there. So hope you've enjoyed this video. Hope it's added some value. Make sure you like and subscribe, and I shall see you guys in the next video.